I prompt ChatGPT, what is MCP? But instead of starting with the definition, I immediately ask it to write some code for an example using my existing React app. The result is here. Clone both React applications and start them to see that the search feature has been added. Ask AI for help. User interface of these React applications. We see search features. When I prompt only laptop, the answer is generated text. When I ask, do you have laptops? The answer is yes. It means that the LLM understands the meaning of our prompt. It chooses between generating a text answer and looking for information in the eShop. Prompt this to AI. Open and analyze this GitHub project. Explain how MCP works in this project, especially the relationship between server.js, MCP server.js, AI client.js, and the React frontend. Explain it for a beginner step by step. Look at the code and ask AI what you need to know. I give you the scaffold. You build your knowledge. After brainstorming with the AI, we, AI and I, conclude. MCP is like an extended electrical power cable for multiple devices. And officially, the definition, MCP is a protocol for a client to communicate with an MCP server, where the client can be an AI application or another software application. If you know somebody that needs video like that, tell them about. If you need, subscribe it, like it. Thank you for watching this video.